Hey friends, it's Eric and today we're looking at the Airversa humidifier, which is the world's first thread-based humidifier for Apple HomeKit. Now, if you're an Alexa user or Google Home user, unfortunately, at the time of this recording, it only works with Apple Home. Today, I'm going to tell you 3 things that you're going to want to know about this before you decide to buy it or not. Let's jump into the video. Now, the first thing that you need to know, I kind of already said, and that is that this only works with Apple Home or HomeKit. At the time of this recording, unfortunately, it does not work with Matter over Thread. Could they update this? Yes, it could, but currently it's only for Apple Home. So if you're an Apple Home user, unfortunately, this is not for you. And then the second thing that you need to know is that it does have some awesome lighting effects, has this RGB ring down on the bottom. So wherever it's sitting on, it's going to reflect light off of that and kind of bounce into the room. Unfortunately, the effects can only be set in the Sleep Point app. You can, however, in the Apple Home set a single color. I haven't found a way yet how to get any special effects into Apple Home. Hopefully they'll update that so you'll be able to control those via Apple Home. But at the time of this recording, you can only do it in the Sleep Point app. However, there are 2 physical buttons on the device. One of those buttons will cycle through the special effects so you can still be able to use it without the Sleep Point app. And then the second button is to control the actual humidifier. You have on, medium, and then you have max and auto controls in that second button. Now, I wish the lighting effects were actually in the water. Unfortunately, it's a LED ring at the bottom of the device. There's no lights that are in the water or being shined in the water like some other humidifiers that I've previously tested. And then the third thing that you need to know is that this is quite a large humidifier coming in at 5.5 liters. They do said you should use distilled water and you should clean this also every 72 hours. I noticed that it did build up some bacteria or some funky stuff in there very, very quickly. So definitely be aware that you need to keep this thing clean. Now, they say this 5.5 liter tank can last up to 60 hours. But that's pretty much on medium or low, which, by the way, I didn't find any low. Even in the app, when you put it on the low setting, it's either off, medium, or max or high. There's nothing in between, even though in the Apple Home app, you can kind of play around with the toggle, but it doesn't getting faster. That's the only settings. You just can't see any number within the Home app. So the 5.5 liters, they say up to 60 hours. That's probably on medium. I did a test on max and I got about 28 hours on max. And now for an added bonus, you can use essential oils with this. Has a nice little container on the inside with a little pad that you fill with essential oils, and it'll just blow some air over it and it'll go into the air and the humidity and really smells nice. Overall, this is a great humidifier. I love that it works with my primary platform, Apple Home. Love the special effects, although I do wish it was shining into the water. Love the size of this and how it can last up to 60 hours. And of course, I love that it works over Thread. And the only con that I have is that it's kind of pricey for what it is. I know it's the very first humidifier for Apple Home over Thread, but there are other humidifiers that work with Apple Home that don't have Thread, and it's about 1/3 the price, although they're a little bit smaller. Other than that, this is a great humidifier, and I highly recommend it. And let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Is this something that you would pick up and pay extra because it works over Thread? Hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one.